Another heinous crime. Girl, a piece of meat for men. बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ और लड़कों को हैवान बनाओ and make boys monster. We talk about to empower the women. But what about men? Are they empowered for showing their masculine power on women? And that too brutally. We always say, this is a patriarchal society. No. This society contains only men in the form of monsters. It is ruled by men and for the men. Why to say Beti Padhao when we can't even padhao or educate our boys? Clapping for this hypocrite society. Kudos. Where are we living? Are we really humans? Oops. We are dangerous humans. Every time a news is there about one more Nirbhaya. This time Nirbhaya is Manisha. One more time a girl became piece of meat for the men. And for satisfying their hunger, they not just kill the girl morally, but physically too. The crying part is girls' body parts were brutally killed by those evildoers. Many days passed, no action has been taken yet. Why? It is because we are living in a society of men. Only, or is it so that they are most influential people? Or might be authorities are most powerful, or might be blind, or they have become dummies. A news channel has shown that every year rape cases are increasing. Men are becoming more powerful in their ownership of monstrous activities. The most difficult questions to answer. Do really men can't respect women? Can't they really treat them as goddess as we worship goddess? Do we really need to feel enslaved as girls are seen as objects? Do we really need to feel suffocated every time when we step out from our homes? Why we show the false things to others to respect girls when we can't even see them as normal humans? And the most important, that people are fighting for the justice now for that girl, for her family. The girl's family, who became paralyzed, is now in a broken condition. The parents, brother, cried desperately to see the girl for the last time, to feel her one more last time. But their tears were ignored. Their voices were not heard by the authorities. Manisha died while pleading. She cried non stop for various days. Nobody listened to her. Nobody heard her. Her family cried, still crying, and will cry for this unbearable loss. And those culprits are roaming happily with all body parts perfect, with no shame or guilt. The authorities would not take an action. They had cremated her in a dark, in a hurry, without letting her family involved. What was the hurry? It means everyone is showing a masked face. My questions to the government: can't we have strict laws? Can't we enforce laws for these heinous crimes? Or these laws are made to be in books only, so that people should not even think for these bloody crime at all? What's the use of empowering women when we can't even empower men? And most importantly, why can't men think that women are not things, not a piece of satisfying hunger? When we can say that men are having a pure soul and they can make women feel safe and protected. Humble request. Instead of telling the daughters what to do and what not to, teach the sons what is right and what is wrong. Instead of focusing on girls, please focus on boys to educate them or to impart something valuable. High time to educate our sons. Let's do Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by cleaning the poor mindset from the society. Let's be together to give justice to her and many others. Let make girls more stronger physically and boys more stronger mentally. Thank you.